Mede de akwasi inside pemechia obibia. Asem de kabre na aso kubo kese o ne ma mfa de we entwam. Ye besre MPP ne NDC fo. Ghana fo abre mo ne mo politics na mo de awura ye police service mo no. Leave the Ghana police service to deal with their own issue. Ni enya amanyosem no emfa emfrim. Ebe ha yen. Dache. Ye nyai sad na ebe ha yen asoman dache. Stay off. Ghana police service ewo mema ne ma ebetimi deal with whatever issue ye confront you omo. And the BNPP awuram na NDC force na MPP force it's okay. Munya omo. No deal with omo issue. But me fa ko graphic online na me chiro ade bi honom. Kwekwa na hwe Asem ya asi ewo Shama in the western region. Explosion at quarry site in Shama. 4 confirmed dead. Many missing. In fact, the update near say nipa we 5. As for the pay ka say. Nipa num and a frame. Explosion. Yet yan be a sea war apiate. Explosion. And yet no chromanum ama be so assess war Shama. Make a say, Mammy Mount video be the Western Regional Minister. After say oko to ewa biaya arawosem esino tie nkomo a one nsɛmtwɛfo etwetweye na meka asɛmtwɛhwe we.
I believe that we need to intensify our monitoring of all the sites that we have. The other one was like gold, but this one is a quarry. Irrespective of that, they are all mining sites, and we need to look at our safety critically. My information is that the Minerals Commission has not gone through all the process with them. So now that we are doing an investigation, we should be able to catch up with the owners of the mine and then go forward, investigate, and see exactly what is happening already. We are aware that 4 people have died, and then another 4 are injured. 2 or 3 of them are in critical condition. 1 is better, but the other 2 is very critical. 1 has been discharged. We have to send our heartfelt condolences to the family of all those who have lost their lives because of this incident. But I strongly believe that we need to intensify our inspections on all the mining sites that we have. This is an old mine, and I believe that they should have been doing the right thing. The fire service is here, the police is here, and then they are doing their investigations. If you look at the way the bodies had been tattered because of the blast, you could actually feel the impact of the blast on the mine. But I believe that we'll be able to get to the bottom of the cause of the incident and put in the remedies that are needed. My information from the Minerals Commission is that they have not been fully licensed. So I believe that is part of the process. I don't know how they got started mining without the full complement of their licenses. But I also do believe that if they knew that they have started the process, they should have also been monitoring them as.
We, Mwaka say Penny or your regional minister, he's not on top of his job. Mo for bekasa ko super yempam crofo do. But clearly, say information say and information kakeo and you confirm because as of now 11:30 p.m. now me deal come on Minerals Commission. The last time a Minerals Commission here was on 20th March 2023. On my genie, the quack pra be a year, you know, Yamajisi and the quack a query. It could tell me to a book. And here, no Murekika, you best do me, Saka say, almost a year, Juma and Mure with a heavy security. Regional Minister, catch say we have to intensify. They don't have licenses. They are operating. But you need DC and MC or Shama. Hey, they are not saying you do my yesui. You need DC and I say MC or Shama. So Shama Chrono S1 to the extent say the intelligence and to channel near air course swap one. But as usual, there be a son catcher no. Under His Excellency Nanado Dan Kwakufado, you will do this and go scot-free. Et yam shishi bi ana MC ne so. Ayam shishi and na MC ne so se memo abro mentie sem fan free me crofo dia na ekoso grounds. Okay, be ka to so onyenyame ya de get out. Onyenyame get out. Because utinyame akonya so. Me say na no tumfo kan wo say. Wo yo hene na galamse ekoso asase so. Na se wo se onnim ho twia. You don't deserve to be a chief. Our president should say same and act equally. Ye man pen na ku for say na bre ese betimi to san mabonnasia. He should say same and act accordingly. Shama MC tiwo bibi anya no. Bibi anya no. Yes, the regional minister, yes, Abu Jinapone and Omu Akekao, yes, Omu Fa. But what's the MC? How? Some Krofoya Juma and Nadu the Swum. He had to kerosene. He had to cigarette. I got eye grounds. Yanim Hoshi. Et on test away a siano, and come here, Juma Sa Besse, and Fisher Bessem, you know, and 9. Now, Kogusu Juma, that's one yan and crater. Because as Nabinya to me, crater the Yajuma Seno, or same minister for lands and natural resources, currently a Bujinapo, or suddenly such as here, a sign. Sakataro Munibi. But see, their last engagement with the Minerals Commission was on 20th March 2023. Aside that, Minerals Commission pen for Kohonum Kobom Koko and reporting by the appropriate authority. Self for the Kwaramu cleaning, which is against the law. MC Wabakato so nim Hoshe. Minerals Commission Kwabata Otakwadio. Kohonum Kobom Kokabra no cleaning. Cleaning no moyan Komoyan say, a whole also mercy so madam so to more containers the other day. It will quite a clear club one or the Yajuma. Minerals Commission for Bobu Koko. Catch you say, cleaning na moyan because you need to make that you know what to cleaning. So stop it. The appropriate authority here reported more mono ada. Omwada. Because a new Asem, a new case, and I'm sure shares room. Because I come say, young men want to nyatum and the quay. Says see, Cosibro new cromwa. Over the Swa resign, and I be a man pen no upam no, near to Croma near Baba so, eh, I'm for the system here, you know, a Bessie near Casinipan reason now woeful because we MPP ni, it in Waga. And now make us a MC Kia fire no, why your MPP what to order? Sadly, make us young fire no. But it's the brony from the fire and the hey, I brought for the Charlie, or sister friend young go. Why can't our system also work same? Nipenum, according to Minerals Commission, Nipenum 5 and now I'll for a plan your bracketwa. Because of someone's negligence, someone's incompetence, someone's wickedness. A causing death. I'm a nipenum. Yamiko na den say e kuro no mu kakra. Because at that time na e see ya no. Say ya piate de bia e ke kuro ni nyina akọ. Obi anka wada ka wawu. Abra wash. But MC da so te wono. President Kufado, there be America. This your attitude. This is your attitude, Mr. President. Sa attitude we ya. Upobias Montimi Kanasem. Mr. President, stop it. And what gun and kanko. Some of your appointees are misbehaving. Cry Crack the whip, Mr. President. Crack it. Me who say you are the Akufo-Addo we knew way back in 2016. Me who say where is it? And your point is to be a person no pebia. Because me kwe man peni cafe. Chief of staff no so na manager oh. I'm fancy. Ochira pa me no beto aso. Mo nkomodie bi e wo ho. Okaso di mpanfo echi a. Oma yene kwamna sante atenase. But mama na kwaba officially. Tiene was say Ben, he was say Anthony. Say Benjamin, memo akwaba. To Belgium.
Akwesi ati say.
Boko na nso e.
O nyame adom boko. Ma men koso so nda wase say ebribia da ofa Ghana ho asem to akoma so sa. Em say we all the time we have to also support your cause. I was always omo ensure for omo nhye sa amade amoken. Waka ho asem sa obi ayi nani ebesesi ebekoso asi. And they be a dear mechanical pay mechanic. On say Ekura mekofa free 1992 a bibia da ya fa aban adwuma wakati yake bosumi miensa bosumi nine bosumi num bosumi nsia yesi eye normal sana system netie na yesi esa kwati akata se ne pro these are some of the things that ebeba unfortunately Nana Adodanko Akufo-Addo aban ontimi ntwe ne ho free sa mreyo we atoto to sin we abrabo timidase but I am hopeful say obeka the advocacy for change ho said the bear yenso timamufo no sometimes you're very very stubborn and I am kai utabel preaching bia preach kasa amamu bonni ne hihye bonni otimi nya aban bi na emu nipa na omadwe se omonte se dogo bi no abe na omo twi nipa so ama oti una ma hu se twi nipa so nipa ebre but enyo masem so we should pray and hope that enyo ma besesa it was a Ghana achia and so emusa and I'm very grateful anu achia mampo hina mame
what you so
o say Canada for ejini tumpa omo so no soro yes the Canada for do more mampo no yen bono for no ne half for the doors chere
and normal
so normal
ekromo bi enim se
agon yankan di wachi dia
kamantamfo a omutu kwan pa kwantu a ebi no man ne kwabra sante ko ba bi ekromo ya wogya ho nyina bankran dia na chere se mutu kwan pa
awuzen so bi odwumadi ne tie betima ko ama ehun die ekoso am se medo wase twi medo wase pa akwasisi ade nkobo kama bro tie bra so